First of all, I just want to start by saying I cannot believe that I am showing my feet to the world. Anyways, hi you guys, back again with another video. This is just me taking off my old gel polish. No, I do not have on any tips or anything. So right now I am just doing a quick clean off before I add my tips. So the straight clippers you see, you can get those off of Amazon. I like the straight edge. They're really good. They send you multiples. I don't know if this is for everybody, but for me, I bought one. They sent me two. And then after that, I bought one again and they sent me two again. So I don't know if that's for everyone, but that's what happened with my order. Now, so I just like to take the nail all the way down because when adding on a tip to a longer nail, it's so weird because I think that it like breaks quicker and I just prefer it just be as short as possible. So I'm just pushing back the skin so that it's more of the nail bed exposed for the acrylic to be placed on. And then I'm just going to, I think I did like a quick drill just to make sure everything on top was off. Yeah, so I just did a quick drill to make sure everything on top was off. And then I lined up the cuticles just to make sure like there's no lifting of the acrylic, because remember, like if your feet are like in shoes or anything like that, then you know there's moisture, possibly not for everyone, but sometimes there's moisture and it might cause lifting, so you never know. Just take those extra steps to get that done. Now I'm just cleaning it with some Young Nails swipe liquid. It's that blue liquid that they use, but mine over time it got lighter. I don't know why. And then this is me. I cut the size of the tips. I want the tips to actually fit on the nail, so I think it sticks out a little bit. And then the nail glue that I use is just the nail glue that I use for everything. It's just the you know, the regular KDS. I'll freeze frame it here for you. Yeah, so that's just the one you get on Amazon. I'll link everything that I can down below so that everybody can see it. And no, I am not gonna talk this whole video because there's really no point. So so this is me, boom, all of the tips. So I just use the regular tip clipper. You can use regular clippers too, but I just use this to make it quicker. I didn't want to waste too much time. This whole set took me like 2 hours to do. In real life it took 2 hours, but you guys are only seeing like 15 minutes. But yeah, so this is just me doing my first set of acrylic toes. Enjoy the video. Okay, so I use this as my primer. It's my favorite. And then this is just a brush I got from Nail Supply Glamour. And then this is a sugar and cream powder and all mine that I'm going to be using today. did the other foot, and then I went ahead and I polished them with the cat eye from Born Pretty. You can get this off of Amazon. I'll link that link down below as well. But yeah, so I think I did one good coat. That's pretty much all you need, depending on like the color of the polish. If you have something like um really dark, one is good, but it's pretty thick, I guess, and the color I was going for was purple and green, so it came out pretty cute. It's not showing the purple in the frame. I don't know why, but like from certain angles, it's like three different colors. But yeah, so this is the look. Pretty cute. You like? You like? So I just top it off with any clear UV coat, and that's it. Hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to thumbs up the video, comment down below any questions I always answered, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.